Yo, what is good, everybody? We are back on the new YouTube channel, or not the new YouTube channel, but the channel I haven't posted on in forever. And today we have a new type of video. I actually haven't even, uh, I was thinking about doing this. As you see, my camera might look a little bit different. Ignore all the stuff in the background. Yeah. We are here. Today we are talking about making merch with $0 without spending an actual penny. You know what I'm saying? Uh, like we're talking about not spending a single dime at all. For people that want to start their merch, people have always came to me and they're like, "Bro, I want to start my own shop, but I have no money. I have no money at all." And there's plenty of alternatives to make a shop with $0 without spending a dime, without spending any money. And we're gonna go through one of the options today, and we might make a part two. There's another way to do it, and there's probably more. But this is the one that I would suggest to everybody. Today we're talking about teespring.com. Now, this isn't a sponsor. I don't have a sponsor for them, obviously. I only have 17 subscribers as of recording this video. So this is just me just telling you guys this is a free alternative. But Teespring, you can make a store completely with $0. They manufacture everything, but obviously they do take a cut of some of the revenue that you make from your selling your merch. And it's really dope because now you can integrate all types of bunch of different things with it, and we'll go over it right now actually. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So first thing first is you go to teespring.com. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and make an account. Get into teespring.com. Once you get in, you verify your email. This should be the landing page that you go to. If not, just go ahead and click home and go to the landing page. All right, so first, here we go. As you see, you're gonna see all these different things. Order samples, start a digital download, plushies, all this stuff. But we're here to design your store, right? So there's what would you like to do next? You can create products, put your social media, and design your store. You can hit design store, and this is where you start here. You can edit your store name. Obviously, we don't want our store to be called whatever this is, my store, whatever. So you can name your store here. For example, I will be doing Evil Designs. Evil Designs, can't spell it. As my name, right? We'll be doing Evil Designs, and we'll hit in the bottom right save. All right, so it's saving, and already we have a store, right? So you hit view store and you can go straight to the landing page and check out your store. As you see that it says like Evil Designs in the top left, and there's no products here. We have nothing. We have absolutely nothing. Look, featured products, there's nothing there, right? um you can add your domain name and all your socials and stuff into there, and we'll get into that here soon. Now you can go to the store editor. There's a little bar right there, and there's a navigation bar. You can add your logo. We're gonna upload our logo here. I go through Shopify, so I don't have my own store through them, but I did do this for a while until I could get my own actual Shopify store. So here we're gonna go through here and put a logo up here. There's all types of random stuff that I have in there. So we have a logo, one of my older logos. It looks a little small, but anyways, you guys get the point. And it says you can manage all your social media links here. Right, so you can do all your customizations for your menu items, your colors, and everything here, right? You can do sections. You got your hero section, you got your banners, and then you got your products, right? We don't have any products. So what I like to do personally, I like to get all my products together and then be able to finally start my store, right? I feel like having all your stuff together before you get a store, like, you kind of get to figure out what you want. So we go back to the home page and hit create products. Now, so the way I'm going to be doing this today, I'm going to be going through this a little bit simpler. I have already designs that I've have done. As you guys know, that I am a graphic designer, so I have like t-shirt designs all day, every day. I'm gonna be putting designs that I've already done, for example, in here. And but if you guys need to have your own design done yourselves, I won't be explaining that in this video of how to make your own design. If you guys want me to teach you how to make a design of a t-shirt design, a simple t-shirt design video, let me know in the comment section. But we'll be going through here. So first, I just started clicking. All right, so there's best sellers. Let's go ahead and click best sellers. I think everybody likes a hoodie, even though it's summertime. I feel like you can wear a hoodie in any time. All right, so as you see, these are all the colors that you can get at the bottom of these, and then these are all the extra colors. So classic pullover hoodie, we can do these, and click the classic pullover hoodie, but then you can add an image to these, right? And like I said, I'm going to be moving simple. I'm assuming that you guys already have your designs done. If you don't, use Photoshop, Photopea, GIMP, plenty of programs like that to do some designs. But like I said, we're assuming that you already have a design. So look, this actually looks amazing on a hoodie, non-biased. I never actually put this on a hoodie. I will be doing that today. But so we got the Evil Genius logo here. It's loading. I don't, oh, okay, never mind. Maybe it just looks like it's loading. So you could scale everything down, scale it up. Obviously you're in the printing range. The red dashes around means the area you can print in, and you obviously can't move it outside of the box because of printing issues. Then it would be an issue and all the other stuff, right? So you can't move it out the box, but it has to be inside here. You can stretch it, you can scale it up, you can scale it down. If it's too big for you, you can scale it up. You can do all types of stuff, and it also helps you center it. So I think this, I'm a fan of the bigger logos, so you can put it up there. So that's what I'm gonna do, and then you can select the colors of the hoodie. So if you want to do pink, I don't really like the pink. I might go black. Yeah, purple and black always looks good. Then you got the white hoodie, and let's see, uh maybe purple and purple. I don't know. We'll do purple. um it's not like I'm even uploading these for real. I'm just teaching you guys how to do this. And then gray, right? So we picked our colors here, and we can hit done in the bottom left, right? And then so here you can set your prices of how much you want these to cost. So if you think 31 is either too low or too high, you can raise these prices, and then tell you how much you're gonna make profit wise. Now, like I said, this isn't a lot of profit, but if you're doing this for free and you have a good fan base, or this could be just side revenue that's generating. You don't touch it, you go eventually touch it, and you got a few, maybe a couple $100 of your merch, right? So you're only making $6 from it. But anyways, you can add text if you want to type something above. If I wanted to do I don't know, evil again, I probably won't, but I'm just using this example. And you can type it out there and bring it into the top left, top right, do whatever you want to do with it. So you just hit continue, right? And after you hit continue, you can add more products. Like if you like, okay, I like this on this, but I also want to add this on the bag, you can do that. You can select the style, hit the tote bag, and different stuff. So you're kind of just knocking killing two birds with one stone, as they would say. And you can scroll down, look around, see if you like it on anything else. If not, hit continue in the bottom right. And then we do the fun part, adding a name. So we're gonna do Evil Hoodie, and then add your description for the hoodie. A real scary hoodie is gonna be my description for this one. All right, we're just using this for example, and it says visibility public, and you've got the URL and everything, and it says add to existing store, Evil Designs, which is our store, so we want that to be added. Right now, publish listing. As you see, it says our listing is live, and it's good to go. Now you can share your URL and whatever you want for it, and make a store. And I'm gonna make some more designs, and then I'm gonna skip to designing the actual store. All right, we finally created a few things. Now we are back on the Design Your Store page. If you haven't already clicked it, go ahead and click it once you guys are done. All right, so now we get to edit some stuff. So all the items I believe are already categorized, like if they're accessories and stuff and whatnot. If they're not, uh, I guess we'll figure out how to do that. So look, right here on my store. Oh yeah, so they're already organized. You see it as here they say accessories. We got the bags. I added this says the evil hoodie because I still named it the same thing. I guess that name transfers over, so just be mindful of that. You can go into your products and edit that name anyways, so no biggie. But as you see, we got the tote bag. It's under accessories, and I added some slides here and whatnot. The logo goes across. We just use the same logo on everything. I thought it would look pretty good, except this one. Um, this was one of my other logos that looked really, really cool. So I decided to do that. Now, let me show you guys the fun part. Me personally, this is the fun part, right? All right, so we get to change the color of everything. Let's change the color of the background. We want to change the so we're going to navigation bar, background color, changing that color, right? So now we have a purple bar that's up there. We can add a logo up there so it gives it a a little more professional touch once you go into the logo. All right, now you got the hero banner. It's a little bit more advanced. um so what you can do here, um you can add URLs and different stuff to um each item. Won't go into that really right now. This is a little bit more advanced. You can fiddle with it. You can add the title of everything, like you say hoodies, and it'll come across like as a slider, and you can click hoodies and go over there. Stuff like that. You can do that, but we'll keep it simple. We'll do a background image. I have plenty of background images that I can go to, so we'll go ahead and use one of my concept art pieces that I made a long time ago, right? So it's loading, hopefully. Maybe it's the wrong size. There it goes. All right. So now we got the background image. Um, so we have this cool little image that comes across once you go open to the store, and you have all your products here. Now you got your products here. You hit it. I guess you can favorite an item. Oh yeah, so it says starting a product will feature at the top of your store. So as soon as you come into it, boom, feature products. Obviously, I have like the bare minimum products, so like 4 items are all gonna be under featured. So yeah, but you can if you only have 4 items, what you can do is favorite your favorite or favorite your favorite heart. Do the little star for your favorite items, and it will be from left to right. It'll go left to right. As regular people, we do read from left to right, so whichever one you think might catch people's attention first, put it to the closest to the left. That's what I would do personally. Then you can do your footer. You can display all your links for your social media, and then you can write text. Thank you guys for coming to my store. Uh, yeah, thanks. And you can put it there and save it. Um, so you can save it all here, and I will teach you guys how to link your social media. So if you go over to the left, you see integrations. This is the part that you need to have on here. Besides all the items, you need to have this on here the most. So you can click integrations, and it will send you here. All right. It will teach you how to add your shop, so you can sell on Instagram. You can hit add shop, and it will give you the instructions from there. You got the YouTube. You can add the YouTube yourself. I'm not gonna add these personally. I might add my Twitch on here so I can show you guys, because I know a lot of you guys are Twitch streamers. So they do have the merch extension on Twitch, where you can scroll under your Twitch, and it will pop up like just like this little picture, and you scroll through, and you can go ahead and check out from there, and stuff like that. So what you do, install Twitch plugin, excuse me, and as you see, I actually already have it installed. It should bring you to Twitch, and all you gotta do is put it under your Twitch page, so you can do the configure and all that cool jazz, and you're good to go pretty much. Here it is. Just activate, put it under your Twitch page. like I said, these are all pretty much straightforward. You can do promotions on here, but yeah, this is basically how you start a store with $0 at all. All you gotta do is just know how to do some basic Photoshop, have some logos ready, and start a store. If you have some Twitch emotes that you might already have, you can start off with that. If you bought it from a person that allows you to have a marketing license, maybe, because I know some artists don't let you use their emotes for like merch unless you purchase the correct license from it. But hey, this is how you start a store with $0 at all. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Thank you guys for coming through. I will be doing more tutorials and getting better at it. Thank you guys so much. We're starting this YouTube channel strong. We're having Twitch tips, social media growth tips, everything. Working a lot more on these things. But appreciate you guys coming through. It's Eagle Designs, and I'm out of here. Peace.